Polish Pierogi. Ingredients. Ingredients for potato filling: 2 pounds russet potatoes, 5 medium, peeled. Half a teaspoon salt. 2 tablespoons butter melted. 2 ounces cream cheese softened. 3/4 cup mozzarella cheese shredded. For the pierogi dough: 1 cup warm water. 1/4 cup whole milk. 2 tablespoons sour cream. 1 large egg. 1 teaspoon salt, plus more for cooking. 4 cups all-purpose flour measured correctly. For the toppings: for 1/3 batch: 4 ounces bacon chopped. 2 tablespoons butter. Sour cream to serve. Instructions. How to make potato cheese filling. Place potatoes in a pot. Add enough water to cover potatoes, then bring to a boil over medium-high and continue cooking 25 minutes or until easily pierced with a fork. Drain and cool 5 minutes, then mash potatoes. Mash in half a teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons melted butter and 2 ounces cream cheese. Mash in 3/4 cup shredded mozzarella cheese. Partially cover and set aside while rolling out the dough. In the bowl of a stand mixer, or a large mixing bowl if mixing by hand, whisk together 1 cup warm water, 1/4 cup milk, 2 tablespoons sour cream, 1 egg and 1 teaspoon salt until blended. Using dough hook attachment, add 2 cups flour and mix on speed 2 until incorporated. Add remaining flour 1/2 cup at a time, letting it incorporate before adding more. Add the last bit of flour 1 tablespoon at a time just until dough no longer sticks to sides of the bowl. Knead on speed 2 or by hand for 10 minutes. Divide dough into 2 pieces. Cover the second piece with a mixing bowl and thinly roll the first piece out onto a floured surface to just under 1/8 of an inch thickness. Use a 3 inches diameter round cookie cutter to cut circles from the dough, keeping them as close as possible. Collect scraps and place under the bowl to reuse. Add half a tablespoon of potatoes over each round. To form pierogi, pull the 2 edges together and pinch tightly to seal. To ensure a tight seal, crimp the edges a second time with a pinch and twist motion. Cook or freeze pierogi for a future dinner. See freezing instructions in post. Make the topping before boiling pierogi so it's ready to drizzle over. Pierogi to prevent sticking. In a medium skillet, sauté 4 ounces chopped bacon. Once crisp, melt in 2 tablespoons butter and remove from heat. Bring a pot of water to a rolling boil and add 1 tablespoon salt. Add fresh or frozen pierogi. Once they are floating in water is back to a boil, cook additional 3-5 minutes or until dough is very tender. Remove to a bowl with a slotted spoon, drizzling buttery bacon between layers.